Hello, today I'm going to show you what I think is the top of the range Rapido motorhome. It is the i166 Distinction Alde and it costs over 171,000 euros, 815 centimeters long, and on a 4.5 ton basis it'll give you 744 kilos of payload. First thing I notice as I come in is we can see it's got a double floor, which is somewhat reminiscent of the way Carthago does things. We've got large lounge here, 2 sofas offering a face-to-face arrangement. Obviously it's integrated. We've got an electronic blind up front, and it doesn't have an extra bed up front, allowing this storage to go all the way round. We've got a 3 burner or 2 burner plus 1 induction kitchen sink. We've got the fridge here. On my left we've got a shower with certainly domestic sized and a looking shower with space for whatever you might use in the shower, shampoos and things. A glass door. The back comes with storage all the way around. It's got windows on either side. That bit there will fit in here to give you an enormous bed here. Note that the skylight up here is a particularly large one. It's got also storage under the bed as well, down here, and there's steps up to the bed. If I pull this forward like this, that's a mattress topper there, and this thing here will pull out to allow that to actually go there. Here we've got the doors, solid doors to close this part off. And if there's only 2, you may be thinking, what's the point of that? And well, there are people who'd like to close the doors. And in here, close this here, so to make ourselves a sort of dressing room in a way. Toilet, sink, very large toilet in fact, with window and skylight. Now, if I walk back in here, sorry, the lights, that's the best I could do. I thought I turned them all on. Kitchen here, sink there, and Thetford Hobbs induction. We've got a very nice looking kitchen cabinet here, somewhat pointless though elegant shelf and storage. Oh, that doesn't want to open. This one doesn't want to open either. Oh, there you go. Not using enough force. You see how far back it actually goes. Table will double in size, and right, Dometic Series 10 fridge and a grill above. Now the big question is, of course, is the floor, and this is the technology which allows not only a flat floor, double floor, deep double floor, but also we've got the equipment from the vehicle that's been put into this double floor. So we'll have a look down here, and so you can get an idea of the depth of it. Put my foot in it, so it's like halfway to my knee, if that's a suitably scientific way of describing things. Open that up, yeah, a double floor there. And what we'll do is I'll open the door. The door's got a bin. It's got a sign telling you to take your back off, and it's got my window. There you've got the place for your television. Sorry, don't you? Oh no. Sorry, I thought I turned that on. Anyway, so it looks a bit brighter now. It gives you a better idea of the illumination inside. And this bit here, yeah, okay, in Carthago is slightly different, but it is very similar. I'll show the manufacturer of this. I don't know who the manufacturer is of the door. The floor is the same as supplies Carthago. Right, let's have a look around the outside as well. We've got this big door at the back, and this opens like that. So there you've got an enormous garage, and the garage will take a weight, according to this, of 300 kilos maximum. I think that's a really good garage. Let's have a walk around the rest. Mercedes base. I think that was obvious though. Door the same size on this side. Extra storage compartments around there. Now the big question is, of course, how does this rate according to similar vehicles? And well, I'll put some more information about that in the description should you be interested. You can see a little bit more there. Also, because I forget things as I'm walking around sometimes, so that's why I'm trying to expand the description. So if you're interested, then you might want to have a look at that. At the same time, can I suggest you have a look at membership of this channel, which was £5, €6, and that'll give you access to hundreds of members only videos, and also gives you access to me should you be thinking of purchasing a vehicle. And also you might want to have a look at our app, which is called Camper Manual, MANUL, and that is an app. It's a troubleshooting app which is designed to help you repair things which can be repaired in your vehicle, such as if the electricity's not working, boilers on the blink, there's problems with the electro block, or awnings not behaving as it should be. This type of thing. It's obviously things you can repair yourself. It does not replace the workshop for workshop related things only, but it may save you visits to the workshop when you can actually do it yourself. At the end of the day, it may just be a fuse that you need to change. So anyway, good. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf, not in Dusseldorf, in Stuttgart. Bye for now.